course, ang ating Queen Bee, like what I mentioned kanina, no? Aside from pag-release ng ating mga episodes natin for Miss Behave, nandito na rin ang Beehive natin. With the Queen Bee, one and only Bong Gonzales. Kasabay natin siya sa mga meaty discussion online about the themes and tackled issues po natin. So really exciting. Actually, we've seen this being done all over for the past few years already, di ba? From He's Iter, meron tayong Barricada, na talaga basta pag-uusapan deeply yung mga different themes and issues na natackle per episode natin. So per release date po natin. So really exciting and nakakatuwa na we will be the first few people to watch this amazing.
Hello. How are you?
All out support talaga from the whole friends and family of all our cast.
We finished as of rehearsals lang po and then we went straight here. Of course, Dar! Dar! Uy, Dar, si Dar!
Ay! Sorry.
Hello,
Hello po.
Hello! Kamusta? Very good. Hello, finally! Napakaganda mo naman. Hello, man! Oo nga!
Later on, makasama natin ang buong cast natin from Miss Behave. We have Ellie Santos in a bit, Zach Guerrero, Zach Castaneda, Raven before will be here joining us today. Akira, JC Alcantara, we also have Andy Labay to help us out. And we do have Raj Rifo, Cyril Manaban of course, Ray Parani, and the one and only Alexa Ilacan.
That's the lead. Sa'yo eh. Next challenge. Malabo mata mo din ano? Oo, pero contact siya na.
Dito ka na sa Dito kami. Wala na ba tong number?
Wala, tatay mo na lang.
Live pa yung biyahe mo.
Yes po. Ay, thank you. Kala ko, sorry po. Ay, dyan na, papasok. Ano?
We have Zed also here with us.
Tapos because of so many auditions, tapos wala naman ako nakukuha, nag-give up na lang ako actually. Kasi nag-give up na ako nung 15 ako hanggang I turned 18, tapos I saw this film that inspired me to try again. And gusto ko ito with all my hypothalamus by Dwayne Baltazar. Tapos I saw that nung premiere nila, sabi ko parang sarap umarte ulit tapos trinay ko ulit yun.
So in ano naman, dun sa last night, ngayon naman, ano naman yung risk na ano naman yung risk na na ginawa mo para lang makamit yung
Siguro yung, I don't know, in just like going back into it, I think nagmakapal mukha ako. I really in general, akala ko kayang-kaya ko. Tapos nung nag-audition ako, dahil puro rejections nga, no, hi, si Goldwyn! The shout out. Tapos, where was I? Tapos, yung specific na yun, I was a really big fan of Juliana. And when I auditioned, they made me stay. Akala ko maayos yung ginagawa ko. Tapos hindi na ako binalikan. Tapos made me quit. Ganong levels ng, ganon siya kalala for me. Tapos nung naisip ko bumalik sa acting, yun yung napunta sa akin na role. So, weird talaga ng destiny, weird ng fate.
How bad would you want it? I mean, I know alam natin gusto mo yung role, pero
so much.
Yeah.
I wanted it so much.
Paano yung tigil mo noon? Especially nung na-reject ka?
Kasi sa auditions, hindi ko kung alam niyo ba, sa auditions, lalo back then, pre-pandemic, pila yan, di ba? So, let's say, kumari, 100 people are auditioning, they go inside the room, pero rinig mo yun. Tapos minsan may mga spot na kita mo yung ginagawa nila. So, yun, nakatingin ka talaga sa ibang mga nag-audition. Tapos, trying yung competitive side ko nga. Trying to, like, counter-read it, do the opposite of what you're doing. Trying to keep it interesting. Pero hindi rin naman napunta sa akin. Sabi ko, pero pinagdasal ko kasi sabi ko, hindi rin natutuloy. Parang 2014 yung audition. 2015, wala na akong balita sa pelikula. 16, 17, walang balita. Noong 2018, when I stopped, like, when I forgot about it, biglang napunta sa akin. So, ang weird. Sobrang weird.
So, take us back. Kung nalaman mo, I mean, it wasn't,
Move, to live, to fail again, and hopefully one day I get to see my journey and realize that I've come a long way. I say this because Misbehave has been the reason why I'm still here. At a time when I couldn't seem to go on, somebody out there can be saved just like what it did to me. Life isn't easy, but choosing to live has only been my only option. May this show bring light and love to someone that needs it. Thank you very much.
Mapapagod po natin, Direk Ivan! Grabe. Para tayong nag-retreat, nag-recollection, nakita ng rap battle nung very start. But thank you, Direk. And I think the cast, of course, would like to say a few words also to all our viewers over here and kay Direk na rin.
Thank you so much to everyone who made it here today. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for braving Monday traffic, and I know that it's been raining hard today. So thank you, we really appreciate it. Honestly, I'm kind of at a loss for words. I'm just so grateful right now, and yeah, each and every one of us here standing in front of you, wow. We really gave our all, more than our all. We've exceeded our own expectations by doing this project. So we really hope that you feel the passion and the love and the care that we poured into this body of work. And I just like to say thank you so much to each and every person who made this show possible. Thank you to each and every person who believed in me and who believed that I was worthy of being Misbehave. Thank you so much, and thank you to the best castmates I could have ever asked for the best director in the universe, and to the whole team. I want Star Magic, ABS-CBN. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course to my friends, to my family, to our friends from the media, thank you for being here to support us. Like what Direk said, we would really appreciate your help in spreading the word. Misbehave starts streaming this June 3 only on I1. Kaya maraming salamat po again for being here. And I hope you enjoyed. Please cover your eyes for the kissing scene. Ayun, ay maraming salamat po talaga. And I love you!
Thank you, Alexa. Thank you so much. How about the other cast members? May gusto pa bang quick message? All good? Pasana? All good na? JC.
Thank you po sa pagpunta niyo po dito at sa pagsuporta. I love you. Ay, salamat po. Nandito rin yung family ko. Thank you sa suporta mo, Nay. Salamat po. Sana huwag ka rin magulat sa kisisi namin. Sobrang huwag ka magulat kasi dalawang kisisi ko dito. Ayun, thank you po sa inyo. Sana po, tulungan niyo po kaming i-promote tong Misbehave. Yun po, salamat po.
Thank you, JC. Thank you so much.
Copy-paste. Diba? Thank you po sa lahat ng nasa likod ng napakagandang series na to. Siyempre, thank you po sa DGY. Nandito rin sila. Support sa lahat din po ng friends and yung mga manager ko, tsaka siyempre yung family ko po na nandito rin. Maraming salamat po. And thank you, Direk, for giving me this opportunity po na makabalik sa pag-acting. So, I love you so much. Happy face.
Thank you po to everyone who showed up. This show means a lot to all of us po. And Direk, thank you for believing in us. And sana po supportahan yung world na created Direk. Talagang pinur niya lahat dito. And yun, thank you po.
Shout out to the prod as well, everyone, cameraman, lahat. Wow, kasi pero honestly guys, thank you for the patience. No? Kasi yun nga, medyo makulit kasi si Ellie sa set. So parang nahawa kami sa Yun lang guys, yun, that's rock and roll, no? Zach.
And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayong gabi. Gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa I Want for this project, kay Direk, Ivan, sa pagpili sa amin bilang cast niya. And ayun, mag-enjoy tayo sa episode 1. I'm so excited.
Of course, LA.
Ayun na. Excited na ba kayo sa kissing scene?
Meron ka ba?
Wala eh. Kaya excited lang din ako. Pero yun po, I just want to say thank you to everyone who is here po. And kinatato. Pero di, kidding aside po, this project is very dear to my heart. And this project, I really gave it my all po. And I just want to say thank you kay Direk Ivan po for believing in me. Yeah. And alam ko po, pasaway ako, makulit ako. Pero everything that I do is from the heart. Parang di naman, no? Di naman. Love you! Yeah, pakis mamaya. Pero yun po, I just want to say congratulations to our lovely ladies. Sobrang proud na ako sa inyo. And very excited na makita lahat ng mga tao yung ginawa natin. So yun, di ko na papatagalin. Sino ba next? Ako pala last eh.
Kompletuhin na natin. Baka may
Yeah,
gusto
the girls,
makita
yeah,
sa
the girls.
Hello po. There's so much to be grateful for. Una sa lahat, of course, thank you to the whole I Want team, to ABS-CBN, Star Magic, Direk Lauren, Tita Cory, Direk Ivan, maraming salamat po. To everyone here who took their time to support and watch Misbehave, maraming salamat. And huge thanks to this whole family, the whole Misbehave family and cast. You guys inspired me a lot and you really pushed me way beyond what I could do. So, thank you. Love you
Thanks,
guys.
Andy.
Ayan, I just want to say thank you po sa lahat ng mga nandito na nag-take ng time to support us. And yun, excited na kami mapanood. Thank you guys.
Thanks, Pasay.
Yun, tonight po hindi lang natin mapapanood yung pinagbuhusan namin ng pagmamahal namin na series. Makikita din po ninyo dito yung dedication ng bawat isa kung gano'n namin kagigil at kauhaw, gusto tulungan ang bawat isa na may pinagdaanan na ganito or may kilalang pinagdaanan ng mga itatackle namin dito kasi hindi siya madali. Itatake namin siya as light para maging coping mechanism ng mga survivors pero hindi siya light. It might be a dark comedy pero ayun, sana seryosohin nyo kung ano man yung mapapanood at mapupulot yung aral dito sa series tonight. So, thank you so much for taking your time to spend this night with us and with the Misbehave family. Thank you rin po sa mga bumubuo ng Misbehave.
Thank you, Sai. Of course, lastly, we have Rain.
I'll keep this short. I really want to get the show started, but thank you so much, everybody, for coming here, for giving time. I hope the story is worth your while. It is a message that we would want to give each woman and each man here. We support each other. It's not only about women empowerment, but supporting the system and supporting each other. It's written with so much hope, so much love, and so much care. So I hope all of you can feel that through the screens. And yeah, Misbehave is showing June 3 and every Wednesday, 8 p.m. after that. Thank you so much.
Palakpakan natin again ang cast and director ng Misbehave. One last time, let's do one more quick photo op for everyone. Let's do one more. All right. Compress down. Closer. There you go. Okay. This time naman, baliktad. Kailangan kasama ng ating audience as well. So, talikod tayo lahat. Let's have another photo. Andito naman ang ating camera crew to help us out. Take this moment as well. All smiles. Oh, wait down na to, wait down. Again, as we take a lot of photos and videos, please do use our official hashtag, #Misbehave. Sabi nga direct, tulungan natin ang palabas and mas maging aware ang Pilipinas, and not just the Philippines, but the whole world, because this will be streaming worldwide through the help of Taiwan, of course. Alright, there you have it. Thank you so much to all our cast members and director. You may now find your seat already. Let's relax. So again, quick reminder for everyone, please refrain from recording, photographing, live streaming, or sharing any portion of tonight's screening, and we appreciate your support in helping us protect the viewing experience for everyone and preserve the excitement for our audiences who will soon be watching this series. So to everyone here again, please do sit back, relax, and enjoy our show. But in just a bit, of course, let's have our opening prayer.
Check. Yes, thank you so much everyone. Meron po kami mga naka-standby na cameras outside. We need your support po. Thank you so much. To our cast of Fire Exit po tayo. Maraming salamat po sa mga special guests po natin for this event. Our bosses, Star Magic, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ina Evans, maraming salamat. Mika Salamangka. Bill Ashley, BGYO, maraming salamat. Thank you for coming. Sa aming mga bosses to the cast. Bianca De Vera, of course. Dustin Yu, thank you so much. Jello Rivera, Nate, and of course, Nikki, congratulations kasama natin sila. Ate Jovi, maraming salamat. Miss MQ, thank you so much, Miss MQ. Sa ating mas schedule sa Star Magic.
Akira, congratulations, Akira May! Akira May!
Congratulations, Akira, from Ate Jovi and Miss MQ and BGYO. Elijah Canlas is here. Thank you so much, Elijah. Meron po tayong mga MOS sa labas, of course. Thank you sa overwhelming support ng The Secrets of the EH family. To sa Real Manabat, of course, kasama natin. Mika Salamangka, Bill Ashley, Dustin Yu, Bianca De Vera, thank you so much. The cast of Love at First Spike, maraming salamat. Sir Miko De Rosario, maraming salamat. Thank you po for the love and support. Milo Elmina Jr. Of course, ang mga cast ng Love at First Spike, Sean Tristan, hello po. Julian Dunian, Orlando, Bob Gonzalez, maraming salamat. To our bosses, syempre maraming salamat din sa pag-support kay Rain Parani, Team Love at First Spike, Dylan Interalde, Sky Kizon, maraming salamat po. Meron po kaming MOS outside. Pwede po kayo magpa-interview. We need your support. This coming June 3 na po, 8 p.m. exclusively on I1. Sir Riley, maraming salamat. To our media na nandito ngayon, please help us spread the word about this project. Of course, to our stellar cast, congratulations! Alexa Ilacad, our Miss Behave, congratulations! Of course, Rain Parani, Cyril Manabat, Rans Rifol, Andy Abaya, JC Alcantara, Zach Guerrero, Zach Castaneda, Akira Morishita, Congratulations, L.A. Santos, Raven Rigor. Of course, nakasama din natin Miss Bernadette Allison, Tart Carlos, Ruby, maraming salamat, congratulations to the rest of the team. Miss Jen, Ate Wiz, congratulations. Charina Malasig, congratulations. Masabi. Yes, masabo. J.Lo Conanan, congratulations J.Lo Conanan, our production designer, costume designer. Star Magic, maraming salamat sa lahat po ng support sa aming event today. Again, pwede po namin kayo i-invite na i-share ang inyong thoughts about this project outside. May mga MOS po kami nakaset up outside. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mama Bear. Maraming salamat po. Doc Arnold, maraming salamat po. Abangan niyo po, every Wednesday po yan. Subscribe now and download the app sa mga wala pa pong app ng iWant app. Thank you po. Sir Riley, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Congratulations.
Hirap pa.
JC, congrats. JC. Congrats.
Thank you po. Oh my God. Gold wins, Jen.
Bagay sa'yo.
Salamat po. Sana po maganda.
Again, sa lahat po ng mga special guests namin, meron po kaming MOS outside the cinema. Please share your thoughts about this project, this series.
Magandang abangan.
Maraming salamat po.
Sai.
Thank you po for watching. Nice to meet you po. Finally.
Funny. Uy, pa isang tanong lang. Kamusta ang dynamic yun ni DJ Duran?
Alam niyo po, sobra ako nag-fangirl.
Nakakatawa yung ano
Sobra ako nag-fangirl kasi batang Direk Wen po ako.
Oo.
So, lahat po ng movies na ginagawa namin with Direk Wen, lagi po nandun si Sir
Oo nga.
Jay. Pero lagi kasi syempre, magkaiwala yung mga bata sa adults. So, lagi ko siya lang nilook up to. Tapos favorite ko yung mga movie nila, Moron 5, ganyan. So, sobra ako nag-fangirl, nakita ko siya. Tapos nalaman ko, siya yung tatay ko. So, sobra akong excited. Tapos kinukwento ko sa kanya na, grabe po, nagpa-fangirl po ako ngayon. As in-story ko siya. Tapos, napagkwentuhan din po namin sila Direk Wen. Super saya ko po na siya yung tatay ko dito sa series, as in nag-fangirl po ako ng sobra. Thank you po for that wonderful question. Abang sila mag-ama. Thank you.
Yes, Daphne. Yes, ito tayo.
Si Direk nila po palawa. Alam ko yung gama. Parang mga 20 minutes sabi nila tingnan niya ako. Tapos bigyan kita ng chance.